Welcome to the complete course on 3D modeling in Blender. In this course, we will 3D model pair paintings sketched and colored by me. Once upon a time, my tools for creating art were pencils and paint colors, and had zero idea of 3D art. Then I heard about Blender. At first impression, it was very confusing and looked very hard. 2 years of practice and following other courses, I wanted to make a course that focuses newbie and artists who never used 3D software before, like Blender. I wanted to share my knowledge with new users and artists who are like me and are afraid of using Blender. With every lesson in this course, you will begin to notice that your skills are improving and workflow gets faster. This course is for complete beginners and for digital artists who never used Blender before. No requirement needed, you just need to be open-minded to learn. This course covers 3D modeling techniques, texturing using nodes, lighting setup, and rendering. We designed this course into small step-by-step, easy to follow and easy to digest. Our course makes learning Blender fun and exciting. We have used examples and explanations which makes understanding of 3D modeling in Blender easy. At the end of this course, you will have confidence using Blender for making digital art. Our course will keep you motivated and engaged.